If you have a problem with connecting OBD2 scanner in your car, the problem might be very simple. In this video I will show you most common cause for this problem. First, make sure that OBD2 scanner is working by testing in another car. Next, check diagnostic fuse in your Mercedes vehicle. This is most common root cause for the problem. Here is how to do it. Find diagnostic fuse for your vehicle by checking fuse diagram and fuse box location. Once you located diagnostic fuse, pull fuse out and check if it is okay. If it is blown, replace with the same fuse amp. Hope this resolved your problem. If you liked the video, please leave a like and comment, and consider subscribing. It helps me to create more videos. Have a wonderful day.